Memphis Shelby County Schools will not start next school year with a new superintendent as promised. WREG's Quamitra Wilburn breaks down how the school board came to this decision.
We will not have a superintendent by the first day of school.
After months of searching and narrowing down candidates, Memphis Shelby County School Board members decided during Thursday night's retreat that they will not have a superintendent hired by August 7th.
Is there anybody sitting here right now think by August 7th you're going to have a superintendent? Does anybody?
No.
The board initially planned to have a new superintendent hired this summer.
I think it's a disservice to the community. It's a disservice to all stakeholders, but it's on us. So I just hate that this is the case. There's nothing we can do about it.
During the retreat, the board spent time breaking down a list of candidate qualifications to present to the search firm, which included finding someone who has a proven track record, a background in budgeting and financing, and is a strong academic visionary.
I don't know if one person exists that has all of these at a high level that we're probably expecting.
Part of the problem was we had not conducted a superintendent search in well over a decade. I say a national one. And so it unearthed all these problems that no one anticipated.
It was even discussed whether the board will reopen the candidate pool. There are 3 top contenders, including interim superintendent Tony Williams, who once said she was not interested in the role permanently. Former Memphis City Schools board member Tamika Hart-Wigington, who facilitated the meeting, mentioned reopening the pool could add at least 21 days to the process.
I feel like we are running and we're going in the right direction, but I still feel like we're running in molasses.
Reporting in Memphis, Quamitra Wilburn, WREG News Channel 3.
All right, going nowhere fast. Board members meet next Friday to determine next steps and whether or not they plan on staying with the same search firm. A decision on a possible new timeline is expected during a special called meeting, and that's going to happen June 13th.
All right, check